we'll guide you through how to use Obsidian for script writing. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, comment if you still need our help or want to ask something. Second, open Obsidian and create a brand new note by pressing Ctrl and the letter N on your keyboard. Give the note a clear and descriptive title, such as Script, Best Budget Keyboards, so it is easy to recognize later. Next, type 3 hyphens on a new line to create a properties section. Then add useful details like the sponsor, your target length, and the current status of the project to keep everything organized. Open a reference note from the sidebar. Then hold the Control key while clicking that note to open it in a separate tab without leaving your script. Drag that new tab to the right side of the window to create a split view, making it much easier to read your reference material while writing. Return to your script note and create a heading called Hook and Introduction. Then add another heading named B-Roll Checklist to separate your planning from your main script. Under the checklist heading, use markdown checkboxes to create a list of the shots you want to capture, so you can easily mark them as complete later. Continue by writing your script in the sections below the headings, keeping each part organized and easy to follow. Whenever you want certain words or phrases to stand out during the voiceover, make them bold so they catch your attention while reading. Use italic formatting for editing reminders or director notes that should not be spoken aloud. If you need to reference research or technical specifications, embed the appropriate reference note directly into your script so the information is always available without switching tabs. When the script is complete, add a YouTube chapter section at the bottom and write the timestamps for every major part of the video to help viewers navigate. Finally, switch to reading view by selecting the book icon before recording your voiceover, so the script is displayed in a clean, distraction-free layout that is comfortable to read aloud.